Happy morning, my dear children. Welcome to Elga online class. Today we have to cover Unit 1 and Day 10. Okay? Before I am going to start it, you will get ready for your Elga notebook, pen, rule pencil, eraser, etc. I will give you 3 seconds time. You have to ready. 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes, I hope you are all ready. First of all, let us see our phonization. In this phonization, you are going to read a vowel diagram. Okay? I will read that. You also read along with me. Okay? Yes. From our SR book, SR 7. I diagram. See that, my dear children. I will send that WhatsApp group. Okay? You also read along with me now. I diagram. I as in cry, cry, dry, dry, July, July, shy, shy, sly, sly, sky, sky, spy, spy, why. Next, IE as in E diagram. E, Y. E as in pie, tie, cried, dried, lie, tied, fried. Next, I diagram. I as in tie, tie, light, light, flight, flight, fight, fight, right, right, shite, shite, might, might, tight, tight. Did you read along with me, my dear children? Yes. Shall we do one worksheet from this related vowel diagrams? Are you ready? Great. Yes, this is worksheet number 14, question number 1. Fill in the blanks with the correct vowel diagrams for each word. We read that I as in I, Y as in IG as in I. Right? Yes, first one, I will say the answer. Remaining rest of sentences, you have to use these words. You have to fill in the blanks, right? Just you have to write the answers, okay? Dash. See the picture first. What picture is that? Dry. Right? Which word here come? Which sound? Yes, I. We have to write here, right? Next, I will see the picture and say, just you have to find out which here come vowel diagram, okay? July, tie, light, pie, flight. So just you have to use this, you have to complete the words, okay? This is your homework, right? Send our Elga group, okay? Yes. Great, my dear children. Let us move to the whole word session. Today, we will be learning 4 new whole words, okay? I will show that. You listen carefully. See that. Tried. How we have to read this word? Left to right. Tried. 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 Brought. 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 Suddenly. 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 Better. 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 Once again. Tried. Tried. Brought. Brought. Suddenly. Suddenly. Better. 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 Did you listen the new whole words? Yes. Let us see some example sentences from this related whole words. Tried. 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 She tried to confuse him. She tried to confuse him. See the sentence. She dares to complete her work on time. Which word here comes? Can you find out the answer? Yes. She tried to complete her work on time. She tried to complete her work on time. Brought. 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 She dived into the water and brought a silver axe. She dived into the water and brought a silver axe. What have you dashed from the market? What have you dashed from the market? Yes. What have you brought from the market? What have you brought from the market? Suddenly. Suddenly. Suddenly his axe fell into the water. Suddenly his axe fell into the water. I was dreaming and dash I woke up. Which word here come? Can you guess the answer? Yes. I was dreaming and I woke up. Next word, better. Better. This book was much better than the one I read yesterday. This book was much better than one I read yesterday. This pen is dash than the last one. Which word here come? Yes, better. This pen is better than the last one. Great, Kutima. So, my dear children, do you understand from today's whole word section? We read a new whole word sum. Yes? Let us move to our reading and listening comprehension session. Today, we are going to read the story, The Loyal Mongoose. Okay? Independently, right? Now, I will read that. You also read along with me. After that, I will send you in WhatsApp. We are going to read the story independently. Okay? Yes, this is your SR book, SR 13, The Loyal Mongoose. Adapted from Panchatantra Dells. Illustrator, Dhanashree Selvi. Mohan lived with his family in a small village. His wife and he had a small baby boy. They had a great mongoose which lived with them. Mongoose. One day, when Mohan was out, his wife left the baby in the house and went to the market. The mongoose gathered the baby carefully. Mohan's wife came back and he was shocked. She saw the mongoose with the blood on over its mouth. Next page. She thought that the mongoose had killed the baby. In her anger, she hit the mongoose with a stick. Then she went inside and found the baby happily playing. She saw a dead snake near the baby's cradle. Next page. When she had gone to the market, the mongoose was guarding the baby. It saw a snake crawling. The mongoose attacked the snake and killed it. She started crying. She knew she had made a big mistake. We should get all the facts before we do something. Right? Did you read along with me? Yes, I'll send you in WhatsApp. We are going to read that story, okay? Yes, my dear children. Shall I ask some questions from this related story? Yes. Who are the characters in the story? Great, Kutima. Mongoose and Morgan's wife. What problem did Mohan's wife face one day? Very good, my dear children. She thought that the mongoose had killed her baby. What did she do to solve the problem? Yes, she did the mongoose with a stick. Was the problem solved? No, the problem was not solved. Why? Why not? The problem was not solved because the mongoose was dead and the Bobby was playing happily in the house. So, my dear children, what would have happened if Mohan's wife had not hit the mongoose? Just you have to think about yourself, okay? Great, my dear children. This reading and listening comprehension session, you are going to read the story. After that, just you have to think about that. Who are the characters? What was the problem? How was the problem solved? Why or why not? Okay? After that, while you are reading a story, just you have to see the picture and get a connect from that related lines also. Okay? Yes. Now, shall we do one worksheet from this reading and listening comprehension session? Yes, you are going to see the worksheet number 14, question number 2, A, B, C, D and E. Okay. While you are doing this worksheet, just you have to see the story. Just you have to get the idea from this how we have to write these answers, questions. Read the story from SR 13 and answer the following questions. Who are the characters in this story? Do you know that, my dear children? Do you remember that? Yes, the characters are Morgan, his wife, baby and a mongoose. What did the mongoose do when he saw a snake? Yes, the mongoose attacked the snake and killed it. What did Mohan's wife do when she saw a blood on mongoose's mouth? She hit the mongoose with a stick and killed him, right? Yes, let us see the next page. This and all I will send you in WhatsApp. You have to write the answer, okay? What is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is we should know the truth before we do decide to do something, okay? Yes, just you have to think about that, right? Yes. What actually happened, right? Read the sentence and write what will happen next. I'll read the story, just you have to write the answers yourself. Soma was waiting all week to go to the beach. She was all ready to go when her mother said, I have some bad news for you. What do you think? What will happen next? What do you think? What will happen next? Just you have to write out the answers here, okay? Yes. Next one. Look at the picture and ask 5 questions. See that? Great. This is your reading and listening comprehension section having. Just you have to ask 5 questions from this related picture. Write down the answers. Okay. You have to write your notebook, my dear children. Write the question number and write down the answers. Okay. Great, Kutima. So, are you clear from that reading and listening comprehension session? Yes. Let us move to our grammar session. Now, my dear children, I will say some nouns and you will tell me which pronoun you will use in a place that word. right? Shall I ask? Ria. What is that? Ria. Which pronoun here come? Yes, very good. She. Next, Mohan. Mohan. Yes, he. Next, puppy. Puppy. Puppy is a noun. Which pronoun is come? It. Lion. Next one, lion. Yes, it. Next, class. Class. Which pronoun is come? Great. They are we. Next, Moti, my dog. We have to give a name to animal, means which pronoun we have to use? Yes, he. Next, friends. Which pronoun you have to use? Great. They are we. See this, my dear children. Ria, she. We have to use that. Mohan means he is a boy. Puppy, it. Lion is an animal. So we have to use it. Class, they are we. This is a group of people. So we have to use they are we. Moti, my dog. We have to put a name. That's why we have to use the pronoun he. Friends, a group of people. That's why we have to use they are we pronouns. So are you clear, my dear children? Yes, it's a place of a noun. Pronouns is writing a place of a noun. Right? Yes. What is meaning by pronoun, my dear children? Here pronoun is written in a place of a noun. Right? Now we will do one worksheet from this grammar part. This is worksheet number 16, question number 1. Fill in the blank with the correct pronoun from the options given. Mohan is a tall boy. Dash likes to jump a lot. Right? Here, which one is the noun? Yes, Mohan is a noun. Mohan is a boy. Here having two options, he and she. Mohan is a boy, so we have to use he. Do you know that? He? Yes. Boy means we have to use he. Girl means we have to use she. Animals are like that means we have to use it. Group of people means we have to use we or they. Right? Yes, here Mohan is a boy, so we have to use he. You have to write he. Remaining, I will read the sentence. You have to find out the answer, then fill in the blank here. The hen is a pet animal. Dash lay legs. Right? It is an animal. Which word we have to use? Just you have to find and write. Rohit and Shifa are playing. Dash will not come home soon. Here having two subjects, right? Group of people. Which word here come? You have to complete that. Next, dash all will make this class better place. You have to find the noun. After that, you have to write which pronoun here come. Next one, can dash help me with this work? Right? So, my dear children, I'll read the sentence. You have to complete this. Okay? I'll send that in our group. Just you have to find out and write the answers. Next one. Tick the correct pronoun in the following sentence. What we have to follow the steps? First we will read the sentence. After that we have to find out your noun. So which pronoun is that? Come correct. Okay. First one. I will read the sentence. I will say the answer now. I feel like going on a trip. Dash feel like going on a trip. That is the answer for I. Correct pronoun. Pronoun is I. I feel like going on a trip. Next one. Dash listen to the music after doing her Work. Her. Her means what? It is tell about a girl like that. So which girl means which word here we have to use? Yes, she, right? Yes. Dash climbed Mount Everest together. Right? Together, Mount Everest. So, group of people. Which word here you have to use? You have to think and dig the answer. Can you see a boy standing there? He is my brother. Brother is a boy or girl. You have to find out, then tick the answer. Next, dash all are going to the party from here. Have to find the pronoun, then write the sentence. Next, the soup is very tasty. I want to you try. You have to find the noun after tick the pronoun, right? Yes, my dear children, this too I will send you in WhatsApp. You have to find and tick the answers. Okay, write a question. Well done, my dear children. Next, let us move to the writing and speaking expression scale. You have to take your notebook. What did you write yesterday's class? Okay, I will give you 3 seconds time. 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. You have written 5 to 8 sentences about your imaginary stories, right? Today, we will work on improving this sentence. We will use the CUPS strategy. You know that? Yes, CUPS means capital letters for the first letter or proper nouns. Next one, use sentence structure plus pronouns to write sentence. P, put a full stop and one finger space between the words. Next, spellings are correct and written beautifully. Okay. So, you are going to do these steps and again you have to write your imaginary story sentences. Okay. And also, you will add pronouns to improve our stories, my dear children. Okay. Yes. When you use CUPS to make your stories better, you use a different color pencils to highlight the changes. What you have to do in today's class, okay? Yes. This is very useful to improve your handwriting, okay? Where you have to use the CUPS strategies, okay, my dear children? This like you have to write your sentence. Okay, what you have to do, use the CUPS strategy and also use the pronouns to improve your stories. If you have to use means you have to use a different ticks and send our WhatsApp group. Okay, yes, great, my dear children. Let us recap that in our phonics class. We recap the eye diagrams, then we did a worksheet, then whole words. We learned new whole words, 4, right? What are that? Tried, brought, certainly and better. Then reading and listening comprehension. We read the story. After that we did related worksheets. In our grammar part, again we have to recap the pronouns and we did some worksheets. In our writing and speaking expression, we are going to did your story, right? You have to use the CUPS strategy, improve your stories to pronoun, right? You have to use different sticks to write that. Okay, children? Do you remember? Great, Kutima. Next one, I'll send the worksheet number 17, question number 1. You have to do yourself in your home. You have to ask your sisters or brothers or your mummy. You have to complete that. Okay, write the rough note, write the question and answers. Okay, bye. Thank you. Happy learning.